Hey everyone. Welcome to Decision Simplified. Today, we're diving into one question everyone's asking. How can you make money easily on social media? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start, no matter your experience level. Whether you're a student looking to make extra cash, a professional wanting a side hustle, or just someone who spends hours on Instagram or TikTok, why not turn that time into money? Social media is no longer just for entertainment, it's the ultimate goldmine. Let's dive into 5 easy and proven ways to start earning now. Tip 1: Affiliate marketing. It's as simple as recommending products you already love. Platforms like Amazon and Flipkart let you join their affiliate programs for free. Share your affiliate link on your Instagram, YouTube, or even WhatsApp groups, and earn a commission every time when someone buys using your link. No product? No problem. All you need is to share and promote. Focus on products that match your audience's interests. Tip 2: Sell digital products or services. Do you have a skill like graphic design, cooking, or even fitness tips? Create a digital product like an ebook, course, or design template and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or directly through Instagram. Once it's created, it becomes a source of passive income. Who wouldn't want to wake up to money notifications? Use free tools like Canva to design your digital products. Tip 3: Monetize content on YouTube and TikTok. You probably know this one. Content creators on YouTube and TikTok are raking in cash through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even viewer donations. But here's the trick: focus on a niche. Whether it's gaming, tech, beauty, or comedy, consistent uploads in a niche build your audience faster and attract more brands. Start with content you love creating. Passion keeps you consistent. Tip 4: Start a dropshipping store with social media ads. Ever heard of dropshipping? It's a low-risk way to sell products without handling inventory. Use platforms like Shopify to create a store, find trending products, and promote them with Instagram or Facebook ads. Social media gives you access to millions of potential buyers with just one post. Test multiple products to find what works. Tip 5: Become a social media manager or freelancer. Creating content, writing captions, or understanding algorithms. Why not offer your skills to small businesses? Many companies are willing to pay for someone to handle their social media presence. Check out freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to get started. Build a portfolio by offering your services to friends or small brands at first. So, there you have it, 5 simple ways to start making money on social media today. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, selling digital products, content creation, dropshipping, or freelancing, the key is to start. And remember, consistency is your best friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Decision Simplified, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our simplified solutions to life's biggest questions.